So you want to be a dentist?
Great, come on and follow us.
Let's introduce ourselves. I'm Dr. Carol Haynes, the Associate Dean for Students, Admissions, and Alumni at Georgia Regents University, College of Dental Medicine.
And I am Stephanie Perry, the Director of Student Admissions.
Let's talk about why you might be interested in a career in dentistry. One of the main things is that you have an interest in healthcare. Maybe you've thought about being a physician, a nurse, a veterinarian. Maybe you haven't even considered the possibility of dentistry, but obviously dentistry very definitely involves healthcare. In fact, we even have coined the phrase that dentistry is healthcare that works. You also need to be a people person. You need to be involved with others. You need to be interested in others. You need to have good communication skills. Obviously, in a dental setting, that's a very intimate kind of setting. You have to enjoy people, enjoy being around people, enjoy talking to people, communicating in a very close one-on-one kind of relationship.
Like in any healthcare, there definitely has to be a love for science and math. The unique thing about the career in dentistry, you have to have an interest with your hands-on. So there's an art side in addition to the love for the math and the science. There are things that you may already be involved in. For instance, you may be making knots for fly fishing. You've done some mechanic work, some drafting, art, sculpturing, acrylic nails, or been a hairstylist, calligraphy, or maybe you've even done some knitting. So these are some things that you may have already been involved in that would show that you may be a good candidate for joining the dental profession.
More and more we know about how oral health is related to overall health, the importance of the oral cavity of the head and neck. So dentists have become more and more involved in total health, and in doing that we certainly do dental exams on patients to see what their oral health is like. Dentists spend a fair amount of time on that. A lot of what we do is dental education, how to take care of your teeth, how to take care of your gums. Not only do we educate patients, that we provide many services, we try to help prevent decay, but when we have to treat teeth, obviously dentists restore teeth, dentists replace teeth. If you end up in a situation where you've lost teeth from trauma, dentists replace teeth with bridges, they replace teeth with implants at times, they replace teeth in a variety of ways. We also provide services with root canals. If you've got a tooth that you'd like to be able to save that has been traumatized or has a carious lesion, and there are things that we can do to help restore a tooth by taking the nerve out of the tooth and keeping it that way. One of the things that most of you guys might be familiar with are aligning teeth. We're having braces. And one of the nice things about that part of dentistry, you're restoring a smile. You're helping a patient overall health. There is self-esteem. So there are many ways that dentists provide services. Dentists are wonderful people for helping improve smiles and aesthetics and giving a patient a much better sense of self, of a better quality of life even sometimes because of their self-esteem. And it's an amazing opportunity for a dentist to be able to provide a patient with a better presence, a better, just a facial presence that the patient finds more pleasing. So that's one of the many things I think that dentists feel really good about in terms of their opportunities to provide braces to align teeth or to do some aesthetic dentistry that just makes teeth look brighter, better, things that make you feel better about yourself. That makes dentists feel better about themselves too. So that's a wonderful opportunity. Lastly, it's a business. It's a profession where you're responsible for how to run a business, making a business work. You're self-employed and the opportunities and challenges that brings. All those are encompassed in dentistry depending on what aspect you take. One of the wonderful things about dentistry is that no two patients are exactly the same, no 2 days are exactly the same. So there's a lot of variety in what dentists do.
Want to be a dentist?